Hello dear students, in this lecture I am going to explain you how to run PL SQL block when you don't have any software installed in your PC. So for that we have many websites available to run PL SQL block or SQL queries, but here we are going to use one authentic website for that is Oracle, from Oracle organization. They have provided livesql web page for running the query. This is the portal where you can find out livesql command prompt. So what you have to do, you have to just go through this livesql.oracle.com, and then you have to create your user account using your email ID. Any email ID you can use, and then you will find out, you can log into this live SQL command prompt. Now here we will start from a basic program. Let's as I have explained already the basic block structure of a PL SQL block. Now it starts with the declare statement. Let declare. So when you use this identifier or the keyword declare or the begin or the end, you have to write this in the capital form so that it can be separate from other codes. Now declare. We just want to print a simple hello message. So what we have to do, we have to print a message. So message, and what will be the type of my message? Data type, we can say data type. It will be a variable character, means I am going to use alphanumerical character, so that I am using varchar2 data type. Now what will be the size of the message? We have to write it here in the small braces. The size of your message means the total number of characters your message can have. Then we will use colon and equal to, then write down the message. Okay, so this is the message which I want to show on the after execution of this block. So now in SQL, as you already know that in SQL every statement or every command will end at a semicolon. Here also in PL SQL blocks every statement will end with the semicolon. Now enter this. Now we will start the execution, the compulsory part of the program. It will start with the begin keyword, and then for displaying anything we will use here it is a different thing. In place of printf or in place of fprintf, here we will use dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and then what we have to display, the message which we have already wrote, and then semicolon to end the statement, and then if we begin some block, then we have to end that block. So end statement will do that, and then we will use end, and then we have to use backslash. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to go here on this right hand side, and here we have run option. Just run the statement or the block. Now saying buffer is too small, so my characters are more than 20, that's why that error occurred. Now I said it's 30. Here it is statement processed and hello class, how are you? that is the message we're going to print, and the same message is printed on this. So this is the general way you can create your block, any block on the SQL command prompt. Now after creating a block, here is a way you can save this in your PC or in this portal also. So here is the option on the right hand side, it says save. So here you can name your script. We will say PLSQL basic message. What you want to do with this, you want to make it a private, you can unlisted it. This means you can share it with the link only, and then you can make it public, means anyone can see that or can use that. In description, if you want to give some description, you can give some description. Then here you can tag, you can specify the area of your sheet, and then you can give the tag. What we have done hello message, or not hello message, we can say just PLSQL block. Okay. And then we can save this. Okay, if you want to that is a block which shows the how to display message in PLSQL block, or we can say using PLSQL block, whatever you can say. See, and then you can just save the session or save the script. Now in my script, it will lead to the my script option. Now here you can see your script. I run this script 2 times. As I ran this script first time, it an error occurred, so that is shown here. And if I want to delete that script, means that part, I can delete that part, and in the second time it runs successfully, so it's showing here. If you again want to run this script, you can run this from here. And if you want to remove the session history, you can remove. So this is the thing. So this is the option you can do with your script, online script or live script of SQL. Now if you want to download this, you can download this. If you want to delete the statement, you can delete this. If you want to add some statement from here also, you can add statement to your script file. And now if you want to again go to your live command prompt, then you can go to the live prompt using SQL worksheet. So this is all about the message handling or the message displaying in PL SQL. Thank you.